Sometimes having to fit an errand into our busy schedule can be stressful. Fortunately, your convenience store is on your client's way home, making tasks a quick and easy stopover. With the Passport X solution, your clients can just select items, bypass the queue, and proceed to the self-checkout stand. All it takes is a quick scan and pay, and they're back on the road. Let's see how it's done. Tap on Press to start. Scan the first item. Scan the second item. Promotions can be applied as well for increased revenue. Tap on Continue to Pay and select the preferred method of payment. Scan the QR code. Tap on Send. Select Method of Receipt. Enter the phone number and tap Send, and the customer's receipt is sent straight to their phone. With Passport X, you can easily and efficiently operate your business and keep customers satisfied. Passport X by Gilbarco Veeder-Root.